Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animate Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news. Nothing new on Fascination's website again this week in the coming soon or newly available sections. However, I have just received very recently an email from Fascinations that they are waiting for the Transformers Legends models to show up, and once they receive those, they would like to send me a few more models to review, the Legends models to review. Not sure what I'll get, if it'll be Transformers, Looney Tunes, maybe a combination of both, but whatever it is, I definitely look forward to it, receiving, building, and reviewing those models. A quick look at Piececool's website shows one new model coming soon, the Hall of Supreme Harmony, also known as Tai Temple. I believe I've said that correctly. I have not heard of this before, so a quick Google search and I find on Wikipedia that it is the largest hall within the Forbidden City in Beijing, China, located in its central axis behind the Supreme Gate, Supreme Harmony Gate, or Gate of Supreme Harmony. I have to look more into that later on, but this model is very colorful and very cool looking, so looking forward to that coming out. It is coming soon, so when it shows up on Aliexpress or eBay, I will certainly include it in my weekly video to let you know. Speaking of Aliexpress, if we turn and look at Aliexpress, there are some new models showing up. Now, once before in a previous video, I think I had mentioned the MU version of Monkey King. I can't remember if it was available or if it was something coming soon that I found on the MU website. I want to say it was something coming soon, but a quick look at Aliexpress through one of the shops. The Monkey King from MU is available, as well as, check my notes here really quick, the Mu Gaiying and Yang Zongbo models that I had spoken about previously are also showing up now on Aliexpress. Now, and also from Microworld, I'm seeing the Spain Berg's Cathedral Architectural model, which I believe I saw something about that on the Metaler subreddit yesterday or day before. Someone had found that on eBay, I believe. I know there'll be some links in the description down below to a couple of different shops that I have dealt with before that have these models listed. And one of those shops, I believe, also has an eBay shop that sells the same models, but I'm going to put up the AliExpress version. But that's a very neat looking architectural build from MU, and also from MU the Yazo barge boat. Interesting looking. So several new things showing up for sale on AliExpress, and I will put a couple of links to two different shops that I have dealt with that have those different models. Maybe not all the models in one shop, but those different models to look at and choose from. Now, on a more personal note, I have been very preoccupied with personal business here lately. I've been doing a lot of preventative maintenance work on my car, which has taken longer than expected, which kind of honestly really was expected. Nothing ever seems to go to plan. I've run into a few hiccups and I'm still working on that. Started a new job. I'm actually working as a crossing guard for the city that I live, helping the kids get back and forth to school. There's schools on either side of a very busy intersection, and I have the joy of helping them across at that particular intersection. So that doesn't take up a lot of time, but it takes a couple of hours out of each day for me to go and do that and come back. There's been some sickness in the house, so some of the household members are out of commission, which is, causing me to have to do more to fill in, which is fine. But the fact that all this has happened this week, the new school has started, so that's more attention that I have to give to my son and his needs. I'm the crossing guard, started working on my car, ran into problems, and a couple of members of the household have fallen sick, leaving more duties on me. So I've been extremely busy this week, and I do apologize for that. But life is that way sometimes. I recently had a video put up of a model that I built some time back that I was hoping to have ready to go on Monday, but that just didn't happen. There's another video that I'm currently working on right now that I hope to have up by this point, but just hasn't happened. I'm still working on that, and it's another model that I built like a week or so ago. And I'm trying to get my car prepared for a trip this coming week, because I had intended to go visit my mom and some family to help out with some situations regarding, once again, my stepfather passing away. There's a lot of things to be settled. I was going to go and with family help and take care of some things. So there's next week. I don't plan on being here. I will still probably do the weekly news video on the road. I'll do my best to push something, but as far as builds are concerned, there's probably nothing going on next week, unless of course I can't get my car fixed and can't make it. But then if I can't get my car fixed, I'll probably be pretty preoccupied trying to get that sorted out. So there'll be a little bit of a gap in updates and whatnot. And also with all these things going on, there's just nothing happened as far as 3D printing, as far as new prints. I did manage to get a model printed of the one single dome shaping tool that I made, but I basically printed the model, came home, and just haven't had time to even build anything to test it out. So lots going on right now, but I was able to find the time to put this video up, and possibly this weekend one more build video that I'm currently working on of the Hong Kong Star Ferry that I've recently built. And then there'll be a little bit of a gap as things settle down and I get back into the swing of things, hopefully the week after that. I'll leave it at that. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoy these build videos or these news videos, consider becoming a Patreon supporter. Just a little bit goes a long way. You can find links in the description down below, and there's also a link at the very end, or just leave a tip through Ko-Fi. Thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.